Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a new website using Hugo site builder. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to create a folder on our computer. So for this tutorial I'm going to access my C drive, and there is a folder Hugo, and inside it I'm going to create a new folder. Right click and then new and then folder, and suppose the folder name is like FewSteps. So this will be our project folder for our Hugo site, and right now it's empty, there is nothing. Now we need to open this folder using Visual Studio Code. I'm using Visual Studio Code to make this tutorial so that it will be easier. So I'm going to click here and going to open Visual Studio Code, and once Visual Studio Code is open, it will look like this. Now what we need to do, we need to drag this folder and put it over there, and that folder will be open in Visual Studio. But there is nothing, right? And we saw that already, that there is nothing. This is the empty folder. Now we need to install Hugo. Not install Hugo, now we need to create a site using Hugo. Hugo is already installed. In my previous videos I showed you how to download and install. If you don't know, you can search my YouTube channel. Over there is search box, you can search over there to access the tutorial. Now let's open the terminal here. So on Visual Studio Code there is a toggle properties option. We need to click here, and then the terminal window will be opened over there, and right now it is pointing to the current path location. This is FewSteps, right? So here it is also FewSteps here, and if you put ls command and hit enter key or return key of our keyboard, then we'll see there is nothing. Now what we need to do, we need to create a site using Hugo, right? So what we need to do, we need to type on command. The command is Hugo, because we are using Hugo to create the new site, Hugo. Then we have to use one keyword that is called new. Then we are using website, that's why you have to mention site. Okay, then here we want to create the site in the root directory. That's why I'm going to put a dot. If we don't put dot, if we put a folder, then folder name here, then it will create a folder here and it will create the site over there. But I'm going to create the site over here, that's why I use dot, and then hit enter key of our keyboard. I'm going to press the enter key of the keyboard, and here it is showing that Hugo is there, and here it is showing like change the current directory to this thing, create a install theme, this one, and some other thing. So right now we just created the Hugo site, right? But we still didn't install any theme. We need to install the theme if we want to open this site. But in this video I'm not going to show you, I just showed you the command how to like create a new website using Hugo. And if you access the folder now, you will see that inside it, inside the FewSteps, there are many files and folders has been created. That means it is creating, it was able to create the site. But if we try to run the command like Hugo then server, this is the command to run the website basically on our computer locally. I'm going to press enter key, and here it is showing everything is 0, only pages 4 and everything is 0. So it is showing that it is running, and we can access this using this URL. So just copy this URL, and then I'm going to open this in a new tab. I'm going to paste it over there and hit enter key, and here it will show page not found. That means no page is there. We just created a Hugo website, that's why it is showing like over there. So in this way we can easily create the Hugo site, and if we want to create a page, we can also create the page over here. And also theme, the theme should be located in this folder. There is a theme, you should need to put it over there. And if you want to create some content, you need to access this folder. So I'm not going to show you those things in this video. In the coming videos I will show you how you can create a content or pages and how to install theme. This type of thing is coming. So that's it. In this way we can easily create a site using Hugo by using the command Hugo site and then site name like this, Hugo new site and then dot or site name, something like that. So that's it guys, thank you for watching the video.